Hi, I'm TJ Lynch for Roatan.com. I'm standing here in the aftermath of Tropical Storm Alex, and I'll give you a little show of what the ocean's doing here on West Bay. Now normally the waters are very calm here in West Bay, but not today. You can see the debris, the seaweed that's been washed up on this dock. Now all this brown water behind me is runoff from the creek over here that comes in on the beach and washes out all the gross sand and dirt and stuff like that. And it's made the water very brown here. Unfortunately, a byproduct of the storm is trash. You can see here how the sea is really eroding the beach away, but it's actually, whoa! It's actually making it larger by knocking this part down. So there's people playing in the water. The sand looks wonderful. It's actually cleaning out the bay and the reef with all the agitated water. So it's actually a pretty good thing. It's also moving the sand from Infinity Bay all the way down back to Foster's side. So actually the sand is actually moving with the storm to give us a bigger beach on this side now. See what I mean? That's a Portuguese man-of-war, which is a very, very, very dangerous jellyfish. If you get stung by that, oh my goodness, does it hurt. Now seeing that washed up on the beach, that means his brothers and sisters are still out there in the sea, so I wouldn't be swimming in these waters right now. Obviously, they didn't see the Portuguese man-of-war like I did. Over the next couple days, the waves will totally die right down, the beach will be back to normal, and the jellyfish will be all gone. Stomp on them. Got him. So, enjoying the aftermath of Tropical Storm Alex, soon to be Hurricane Alex, on West Bay Beach. I'm TJ Lynch for Roatan.com.